without burden in the heart. Lauterbrunnen sings nature's song. In this valley we all belong, listening to nature's gentle whispers in Lauterbrunnen Valley, Switzerland. Cabin halls with wide windows, hiding on the mountain slopes, snow-capped peaks and ancient trails take me into dreams of the past. Meadows blooming in the spring, every flower has its cry.